Indian Post Office Rules 1933. It is issued by the Government of India in the Department of Industries and Labour under notification number 290 IMR/32 dated 30th March 1933 as subsequently amended from time to time. It is in exercise of the powers conferred by the Indian Post Office Act 1898 and in supersession of the Indian Post Office Rules 1926. The central government is pleased to make the following rules to have immediate effect. In this rules act means Indian Post Office Act 1898. First one, rates of postage. Inland postal articles. The following rates of postage shall be chargeable on postal articles where the postage is prepaid. Letters. For a weight no exceeding 20 grams, rupees 5. For every 20 grams or fraction thereof, rupees 5. Letter cards. For a letter card, rupees 250. 2 rupees 50 pice. Postcards not being postcards containing printed communication. For a single postcard, 50 pice. For a reply postcard, rupees 1. Postcard containing printed communication. For a postcard, rupees 6. Competition postcards. For a competition postcard, rupees 10. Meghdut postcard. For a Meghdut postcard, 25 pice. Pattern and sample packets. For the first 50 grams or fraction thereof, rupees 4. For every additional 50 grams or fraction thereof in excess of 50 grams, rupees 3. Book packets containing printed books. For the first 100 grams or fraction thereof, rupees 1. For every 100 grams or fraction thereof in excess of 100 grams, rupees 1. Book packets containing periodicals. For the value of periodical from rupees 1 to rupees 20. Rupees 2 for first 100 grams and part thereof, and rupees 3 for every additional 100 grams and part thereof. For the value of periodical from rupees 21 to rupees 50. Rupees 4 for first 100 grams and part thereof, and rupees 5 for every additional 100 grams and part thereof. For the value of periodical from rupees 51 and above, rupees 8 for first 100 grams and part thereof, and rupees 9 for every additional 100 grams and part thereof. Blind literature packets. Blind literature packets shall be exempt from postage. Registered newspapers. In the case of a single copy of a registered newspaper, for a weight not exceeding 50 grams, 25 pice. For a weight exceeding 50 grams but not exceeding 100 grams, 50 pice. For every additional 100 grams or fraction thereof exceeding 100 grams, 20 pice. In the case of more than one copy of the same issue of a registered newspaper being carried in a same packet, for weight not exceeding 100 grams, 50 pice. For every additional 100 grams or fraction thereof exceeding 100 grams, 20 pice, provided that such a packet shall not be delivered at any addressee's residence but shall be given to a recognized agent at the post office. Parcels. For a weight not exceeding 500 grams, rupees 19. For every 500 grams or fraction thereof exceeding 500 grams, rupees 16. Wherever the postage, tariff or charges are fixed for a postal article based on weight, the weight shall mean the gross weight or the volumetric weight, whichever is more. The manner of working out the volumetric weight and conditions of its applicability shall be laid down by order by the Director General. For letters, letter cards and postcards, whether registered or unregistered, posted for transmission by air at any post office in India, no additional airmail fee is chargeable. On postal articles other than letters, letter cards and postcards posted for transmission by air at any post office in India, an airmail fee of rupees 2 for the first 50 grams or fraction thereof, and rupees 1 for additional 50 grams or fraction thereof shall be chargeable in addition to the postage and other charges payable under the rules. The following rates shall be chargeable on the delivery of postal articles where the postage of airmail fee is not prepaid or is insufficiently prepaid. On an unpaid letter, postcard or packet, double the prepaid rate subject to a minimum of 1 rupee. On a insufficiently paid letter, double the deficient subject to a minimum of 1 rupee. On an unpaid or insufficiently paid reply postcard, double the prepaid rate or double the deficiency of the case may be on the original half, only subject to a minimum of 1 rupee. Business reply envelopes, business reply letter cards and business reply cards shall be transmitted without prepayment of postage and shall be charged on delivery with a handling charge of ₹1 per article of such business reply envelopes, business reply letter cards and business reply cards in addition to the postage specified for such article in Rule 1. Foreign postal article. The following rates of postage shall be chargeable on the postal articles to be sent by surface where the postage is prepaid, namely letters up to 20 grams for all countries 20 rupees, for every additional 20 grams or part thereof up to 500 grams 8 rupees, beyond 500 grams for every additional 100 grams or part thereof up to 2000 grams 30 rupees. Small packets up to 100 grams for all the countries 40 rupees. For every additional 100 grams or part thereof up to 2000 grams 30 rupees. Printed papers up to 20 grams for all the countries 10 rupees. For every additional 20 grams or part thereof up to 500 grams 5 rupees. Beyond 500 grams for every additional 100 grams or part thereof 20 rupees. Plain literature packets for all the countries excepted from postage. Postcard single Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal 4 rupees. ASEAN Pacific Postal Union countries except Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 6 rupees. Universal Postal Union countries other than those referred to in first two level countries 7 rupees. For the postal articles to be sent by surface airlifted mail, the surcharge of rupees 4 for 20 grams or part thereof for all countries other than SAARC countries shall be charged in addition to normal surface mail rates. The following rate of postage shall be chargeable on the gross weight of bulk bag of printed matter when the postage is prepaid, namely bulk bag, not exceeding 5 kg for all countries 350 rupees. Per kg exceeding 5 kg 100 rupees. For the postal articles to be sent by surface airlifted mail, the surcharge of rupees 4 for 20 grams or part thereof for all other countries other than SAARC countries shall be charged in additional to normal surface mail rates. The rates of postage and airmail fees specified in the schedule below shall be chargeable on postal articles posted at an Indian office for transmission by air or by air-cum-surface routes to the countries and places mentioned in the schedule and to which such mode of transmission is available. At least 75% of airmail fees shall be prepaid, otherwise this will be sent by surface route. The registration fee in the case of registered articles shall be in addition to the charges mentioned in the schedule. For airmail articles addressed to ASEAN Pacific Postal Union member countries except Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal, international surface postage rates applicable to Universal Postal Union member countries and not surface postage rates of ASEAN Pacific Postal Union member countries, together with airmail surcharge, namely rupees 3 for every 20 grams or part thereof, is to be levied. Rates for airmail postcards and aerogram will be the same for ASEAN Pacific Postal Union member countries except Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh as for others. For airmail articles addressed to Pakistan, the rates given in the following schedule shall apply. For airmail postcard, SAARC countries Afghanistan, Sri Lanka and Maldives 12 rupees. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 8 rupees. Asian Pacific Postal Union member countries except Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 12 rupees. Universal Postal Union member countries 12 rupees. Aerogram. For SAARC countries Afghanistan, Sri Lanka and Maldives 15 rupees. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 15 rupees. Asian Pacific Postal Union member countries except Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 15 rupees. Universal Postal Union member countries 15 rupees. Air surcharge for every 20 grams or part thereof. SAARC countries Afghanistan, Sri Lanka and Maldives 3 rupees. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 3 rupees. Asian Pacific Postal Union member countries except Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan 5 rupees. Universal Postal Union member countries 5 rupees. A delivery fee of rupees 5 shall be chargeable from the addressee on the delivery of a small packet weighing more than 500 grams received by foreign post. The following rates shall be chargeable on the delivery of postal articles other than parcels and insured boxes received by the foreign post when the postage or airmail fee is not prepaid or is insufficiently prepaid. When the postage or airmail fee is not prepaid, it is double the prepaid rate. When the postage or airmail fee is insufficiently prepaid, double the deficiency, provided that the postage of airmail fee actually charged shall in no case be less than 8 paise. For clearance through the customs, a fee recoverable from the addressee at the rate of 30 rupees if released after levying customs duty for each foreign letter packet or insured box under the rate of 30 rupees for each foreign parcel or bulk bag for each foreign parcel or bulk bag of printed matter which weighs more than 500 grams, each imported by post into India, on which import customs duty is payable shall be levied.